opening statement is how exciting is it to be back to the center of the universe, Purdue University, and my alma mater. It was so much fun to be here today, and so exciting, and our players were just so impressed with how Purdue played, and I thought our players played extremely well, and it just prepares us so much for our conference, because I went in the locker room and I said, we're never going to see anybody in our league of that caliber, and so it was just a great experience for us.
Well, let's use the microphone, Mike. Sorry, we're going through a new procedure this year. I know, otherwise we're doing it.
Are you going to rely on the three-pointer as much as you did today?
You know what, we have the ability to shoot the three, and it creates a little bit of a problem because 32 Renee Brown can play inside-outside. She popped out and hit a couple threes, and Hope Mancini hit a couple threes, and we didn't really expect 44 to hit a three, but that was kind of nice. But no, we'll shoot the three if we're left open and we can get an opportunity to get it off. We'll shoot the three. And I think because of Purdue's size, we really couldn't get inside too much. So till towards the end, Blaze got in a little bit.
Did you feel like you were able to use some of your quickness and athleticism on the perimeter to hurt them a couple times?
Yeah, but Purdue's pretty quick. They're pretty quick out there, and but I thought our kids did a really good job overall. I thought they shook up Kiki a little bit. Kiki had some trouble today at the point position, and she struggled a little bit because in St. Bonaventure she ran the show and she had 17 and played real well, and that's kind of how our team is that one person's down, another person picks up. And we had 5 in double figures, and it worked out real well.
Just I know it's just moments after the game, but if you could evaluate Purdue a little bit, just what you saw from them, just what would you say their strength is after just watching this long 40-minute game?
Well, I think having watched Purdue last year and this year, they bring a lot more quickness now, and they're able to get down the court and break. We had a lot of trouble with that, and their transition game and them getting out and getting down the court. I was really impressed with how they did that, and I think that was huge strength for them. I think when they get everybody healthy, I think it's scary how good they can be. And if Mingo hadn't got hurt, it's really scary how good they could have been. And but I think they'll pull together, and they have a beautiful team. They have a really nice team. Of course, I'm a little prejudiced, but I'm really hoping they win the Big Ten.
Did you get a chance to go to the baseball facility?
I haven't yet. I've heard about it.
Any other questions?
Coach, can you talk a little bit about the things that you've learned from the past 2 games against Division I opponents and what you can take back into conference when you start here in a couple weeks?
I think the biggest thing that I didn't realize we were going to get out of this, that we got out of it, was the ability for our players to get some confidence. Because I don't think, they know that they're not going to play against anybody that caliber. And it gives them a sense of confidence that they can do some things, and things that we teach them and show them actually work, and I think they have confidence in that. It's just such a good thing for us to play somebody better, because it also exposes our weaknesses and what we need to work on and get better at.